What's up guys, I am Ariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to change email in Brawl Stars. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. I have hope that I help you, so let's go. So what you need to do is first click here and now Supercell ID. Now this circle, and here as you can see you have option change email. Okay, so we click at this and you have two options. If you have access to the account, you click yes. I will show you this first option, and now a verification code has been sent to this email. Okay, so we enter in this. Wait. Okay, so it's this. Okay, enter. Six five eight 675. Submit. And now new Supercell ID email. You may now write new, and when you click submit you will have new email. Okay, and you did it. But the second option is if you don't have access to the Gmail. So what you must do, I will show you. If you now have access to the email, you must click here in the settings and now on help and support. Okay, and now you must look. Wait. Once again. Okay, you must. Okay, never mind. You must write to the Brawl Stars support that you don't have access to the email and you want change, and you must. You will be verified if they tell you that everything is okay. You will tell him everything and it would be correctly, then they will let you change email on others, and you will be have then other email, and that's all in this video. So I have hope that I help it. So you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.